Hello, Minglaba. Welcome back to Eastleaf Yangon channel. I am Alice. First of all, I would like to shout out for Mr. Louis, who is the advanced member of our channel. I'm really appreciated. Thank you for your sponsor. Where now I am at Banglang in downtown. So let's go and follow with me. Oh, look at this behind me. This building is old building. This is old colonial building. Yeah, even though this is old, our government still using as custom office. So let's go. Oh, here is some different crab. I wanna try one. Ini dia peluyang nih. Tegang lebih lah. Okay, here. The smell is really good. So let's break it. Hey. Yeah, look at this meal. Let's take a bite. The taste is a little bit sweet and crispy. It's delicious. And the price is 1,000 jazz is around 50 cents. I think it's cheap, right? So I finished here. Look at this. This road is really busy. So let's explore there. Oh my god, there's a frying cricket. It looks very interesting and very tasty. I have never tried in my life. Now I want to try for you guys. Let's do it. Bây giờ bự dạng này. 四ကောင်ပြီပါဟုတ်ရွေးလိုက်မရွေးတော့အစင်ပြေရလေးထည့်ပြီလေအမီးတစ်ကောင်ကျွေးစားရတယ်ဒီတိုင်းထည့်စားကောင်းရလေးထည့်ဒီတိုင်းစားဟုတ် အပူလားကျေးဇူးပါ
မြုပ်ပြီးထည့်အောင်
မြုပ်သီးဆိုတာဘယ်ဥစ္စာလဲအော်မြုပ်သီးတော့မထည့်အောင်ဟုတ်
ဟိုဒီတောင်မန်လေးတွေရဲ့ဟိုချက်လောက်ကလေးရောထည့်စား
ဖဲစားလို့ပြောအော်ဟုတ်ဟုတ်ကျေးဇူးပါ Well now I was done Hey, look at this. It looks really scary. But now I try. It's not bad. And the taste is so oily and a little bit nutty. But if you like nutty flavor and if you like to try some insects, you should try it. Yay! You should try it. The price is this one piece for 100 jets is 5 cents. I think it's cheap. There's a baby clothing. There's also tea bed shop. There's a some juice and ice cream salad stand. So let's try one. You get the way below young, eh? Myanmar is a tropical area, so it's really hot. That's why Myanmar people like these kind of cold things. Thank you, ba. Ta-da! It's refresh for me. And it's so sweet. I love it. The price is this one piece for 1,000 jets is 50 cents. I think it's really cheap. Okay, I'm finished my dessert now. Let's keep walking. There's a Yakai shop. And there's also a cheap man and woman clothing wear shop. Yeah, there's a cheap phone cover shop. and there's a some fruit shop. Well, now I'm reached my destination, so let me start my video here. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you will also like this one and this one. So bye bye.